Before the mid-1800s, steel was difficult to manufacture and produce, plus the added expense made it a scarce and rare necessity. But its unique characteristics, such as its flexibility and strength, made it a groundbreaking material that would launch the nation into a new steel-driven empire. Before the development of the newly advanced steel-making processes we have today, steelmaking was a dangerous job that put many of its workers' lives at risk. The cementation process, which consisted of packing iron bars into charcoal and repeatedly heating the iron, promoted the danger of explosion. But as society began to rely more heavily on steel, the steelmaking process began to evolve into a more efficient and safer system. This chart shows steel production in 2013 and how China predominantly replaced the United States in global steel production. Due to steel's versatility, it can be used in numerous ways: in transportation, in construction, and infrastructure. Steel contributes to the construction of almost all buildings, from New York's Chrysler Building and the Hearst Tower. It has also contributed in making one of our country's most compelling memorials, the 9/11 Memorial and the World Trade Center. New forms of architecture are able to be created with the help of steel. Steel has also allowed for the construction of buildings such as the Capitol Records Building and the U.S. Bank Tower. Designs, artwork, and memorials are created through molded forms of iron and steel. The design of the museum at Prairie Fire features colored glass and exposed steel that was inspired by the rolling hills of the Kansas landscape. Steel has led to the creation of unique buildings in Kansas and allowed architects to envision designs that become a reality. Without the manufacturing of steel, we wouldn't be half as advanced as we are today. Our transportation wouldn't consist of cars, trains, or airplanes. We wouldn't have skyscrapers towering over cities. Steel is the framework of our country, and it has truly shaped America to be the country it is today.